So our company started in 2007 as a bunch of engineering consultants. We specialise in aerodynamics, we specialise in fluid mechanics, and we use computational methods to solve those problems. We originated in Reynard Motorsport, became BAR Honda, and we started our business in 2007 as a result. Being part of Silverstone Park, if you rewind and look at this wind tunnel, we designed this wind tunnel for British Cycling back in 2012, and we decided we wanted our own version of it as an R&D facility. And our plan was to find a low-cost shed, probably in a farmer's field, and create a skunk works in a cheap building. We came to Silverstone Park and they showed us the opportunities, introduced us to the local let, and they had some grants available, and they basically took our farmer's shed idea and upgraded it to something much bigger and better. And we created a hub for other people to engage with rather than just a private facility. So within our industry, the building we stood in, Silverstone Sports Engineering Hub, the new innovations are, over there is the boundary layer camera. That's new, that lets you see what the airflow is doing on the surface. Another innovation is the pedaling efficiency rig. And so far we've invested around £750,000 to work out how the power is transmitted from the pedals to the road and how efficient it is. The next innovation is a £4.5 million swim flume, which we should start building next year. So we're constantly investing in new technology and ideas. So the swim flume will be a very large recirculating water channel with very high quality flow, laminar uniform flow, almost no waves, and we'll be able to ultimately measure the swim performance in there. So we'll be doing things to look at the wake, the surface waves, and the idea is eventually we can put the jigsaw together, we can measure the swim efficiency. So we innovate all the time, and some of it is for our own tool sets, but some of it is required by the customers. You know, in the cycling world, people come to us for Olympic skin suits, and we have to innovate. To beat the next best product, we have to be faster. We have to be lower drag. In order to do that, we need new tools, new methods, ideas. It's kind of in the DNA. You do it or you lose.